Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sweeteners with a seasonal twist. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds because we're talking about the best pumpkin spice liquid stevia sweetener on the market. Introducing SweetLeaf Sweet Drops Pumpkin Spice Liquid Stevia Sweetener. It's like capturing the essence of fall in a convenient little bottle. Imagine the warm, comforting flavors of pumpkin spice, but without the guilt of added sugars or calories. Let's break down why this sweetener is a game changer. First off, it's from SweetLeaf, a trusted brand known for its commitment to quality and natural ingredients. With 0 calories, 0 sugar, and being non-GMO and gluten-free, it's a win-win for anyone looking to sweeten their treats without compromising on health. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're sipping on your morning coffee, whipping up a batch of homemade pumpkin spice latte, or adding a touch of sweetness to your oatmeal or baked goods, these sweet drops have got you covered. Just a few drops is all it takes to transform your favorite recipes into fall-inspired delights. And the best part? It's diabetic-friendly, keto-friendly, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. Plus, with its convenient size, you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring you always have a little taste of fall at your fingertips. So, whether you're craving a cozy mug of pumpkin spice goodness or looking to add a seasonal flair to your favorite recipes, SweetLeaf Sweet Drops Pumpkin Spice Liquid Stevia Sweetener is the perfect companion for all your fall festivities. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate pumpkin spice indulgence without any of the guilt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting us know how you plan to use this delicious sweetener. Until next time, happy sipping and sweetening. This is Product Critique, signing off.